What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here. I just ordered the Dell XPS 13 2020 version, and I wanted to share the unboxing experience with you guys, hence the creation of this video. And since I already had a spec top Surface Laptop 3 with an i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, all of that stuff, I wanted something to get the job done for just Office 365 tasks, internet browsing, that sort of stuff. Something that has to be small, portable, light, and the XPS 13 kind of fits that demographic that I wanted to be in, so that's why I ordered it. Please subscribe down below for more awesome tech videos like this one. I do unboxing on this channel, reviews, comparisons. I do so many types of videos, so stay tuned for some amazing tech content on this channel. Before I unbox this machine, let's go over the specs and the upgrades that I did to this laptop. First of all, the price of this one was $1,049. This is off from the $1,200 regular price tag of the laptop. It was $150 off. It was just a normal sale that Dell was doing, and I just kind of wanted to buy the laptop and I bought it. The specs of this machine is a 10th generation quad-core i5 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, Intel UHD graphics. So those are the four kind of specs of this. The one thing that I didn't upgrade were the UHD graphics, because to get the Iris Plus, I'd need to spend around $300 extra for one of those models. So I didn't want to do that, spend $300 extra, because I don't do any really intensive work at all on this laptop. That's not what it's meant for. But I did buy the Frost White finish on this XPS 13. It was a $50 upgrade, and in my opinion, I would even pay $100, $150 for this upgrade, because without it, I don't really like the Dell's black color. It's not like a matte black, it's more of a slate black color, but the white, in my opinion, looks amazing. Here's the XPS 15. Wow. I mean, 13. That sounds always nice. Honestly, I thought Apple was the one who makes good packaging. Dell's stepping it up in this one. Okay, so let's get the XPS unraveled. Oh wow. So it's like this nice magnetic type of thing, and whoa. Dell XPS. It's got like a magnetic latch. That's quality. Okay. XPS. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so small compared to my Surface and MacBook. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's built amazing. Anyways, let's keep this to the side. What else do we get? There's a lot in here. There's a bunch of adapters and stuff too. Let's see what we get in this little tray. Warranty, safety, boring, we don't need that. How to turn on your machine, how to charge it. We don't need that either. I can just toss that away. We do get more. Oh, is this? Okay, nothing there. I think this is like an extender type of thing. That's cool. USB-C to USB-A. Oh, they give you a dongle in the box. I did not know that. This is my first XPS actually. But yeah, this is cool. This is the charger, makes sense. Is this like a universal adapter? Oh. Whoa. Okay. Well, there's a bunch of intangibles I usually don't get with my laptops. That's cool. Let's get to what you all wanted to see. This is the XPS 13. Now, let's take a moment and unravel this. Oh wow. I think I gotta take these out first. So my configuration for this XPS is a baseline model. This machine is mostly for me to just web browse, go on the internet, do Office 365 type of thing. And let me get these things out of the way. Wow, this machine is small. Oh my. Okay, so let's open it up. It does. What is it? Oh, okay. Well, I guess not. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing, guys. Wow. Let's boot it up. And come on. It might be out of charge, or is there a power button on this? I think it's out of charge. But anyways, look at this machine, how to the shots of it, but wow, this looks amazing. Let me try typing on this keyboard. Wow, the carbon fiber palm rest also is really nice. I mean, I'm used to the Alcantara on my Surface, but this feels nice. I mean, you can feel that nice, soft carbon fiber. It's pretty good. The trackpad's not as small as I thought. I mean, I know it's increased for 2020, of course, but the individual keys also, since it extends to the edges, are much bigger than other laptops, which is great. Wow, this is a nicely built machine. The bezels are so thin, as you can see here. You can't get this in the normal shots, but there is kind of like a border here. If you turn the machine on, it probably goes away, you can't see it, but there's like a kind of border here, which is, it's one of the things, but the real build quality of this machine is, wow, really nice. It's clearly good. I actually did not like the XPS series before this model. This is my first XPS ever, and by far, it's one of my favorite models. I think this is the most improved. The design looks amazing compared to the older years. But you can see that Dell really put some thought into this machine when they made it, and it looks absolutely flawless. So yeah, guys, there's the unboxing of the Dell XPS 13 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put some effort into this, had to, get a different setup to unbox it and everything, of course. This laptop is stunning. After unboxing, you can see my first impression back there, and I really liked it. And the one thing that struck out to me that I didn't expect was how small, thin, light, and portable this really is. This machine is so much smaller than like other machines on the market. Like, to be honest, like, this is my 2015 MacBook Air, and the Dell XPS 13 is so much smaller than that. Every one of my machines that I've ever had, and that's the whole reason why I bought it, and I'm really happy that it turned out to be amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a huge difference. I need all the help that I can get from you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.